Now we are going to start question number 13 of exercise 2.2. Till now we have seen various questions like which are based on ages, which are based on ratios. Okay. Now we are going to see question number 13. Now let us see what they have asked for. In this question they are saying that a rational number is such that when you multiply it by 5 upon 2 and add 2 upon 3 to the product, you get minus 7 upon 12. So let that rational number be x. Okay, this is our first step. We have to consider that rational number be any variable because we don't know its value, so we can use the variable here, so we can take it as x. So let us consider that the rational number be x. Okay, now what condition they have given? They have given that you have to multiply this with 5 upon 2. So here you have to multiply it with 5 upon 2. Means can I say that they are saying that x is to be multiplied with 5 upon 2. Okay, this x has to be multiplied with 5 upon 2. So it is nothing but we can write down as 5 upon 2x because number is always before the variable, so that it is the coefficient. So x into 5 upon 2. Why? Because they are saying that we have to multiply that rational number with 5 upon 2. So here we have multiplied this rational number with 5 upon 2. So it will become 5 upon 2x. Okay, so now according to the given condition we have multiplied this x with the 5 upon 2. So we can say that x, or we can say 5 upon 2x. Okay, from here we have written 5 upon 2x. Now what they are saying, and add 2 upon 3 to the product. Now this is the product. Okay, this is the product of what? This rational number and 5 upon 2. Here multiply and product, they are one and the same. So they are saying that now this is the product. Now we have to add 2 upon 3. Okay, so add 2 upon 3 to this, and then what we will get? We will get minus 7 upon 12. So it will be minus 7 upon 12. So this is the simple equation, okay, from which we are getting. Okay, we have to, from which we have to find out the value of x. So this expression this equation we have formed from from this question, that is from this statement. Okay, now solve this. This plus 2 upon 3 will go from this to this side, so it will be minus here. So we can say 5 upon 2x is equals to minus 7 upon 12 minus 2 upon 3. Now to add or subtract the numerators, we have to make denominator same. So here simply if you multiply it with 4, we'll get the denominator same. So here I am multiplying this with 4 into 4. So we have to multiply numerator also with 4. Why we are doing so? To make the denominator same. So 5 upon 2x is equals to minus 7 upon 12 minus 4 to the 8 and 4 3 is a 12. Now denominators are same, so we can add or subtract the numerator. So we can say that 5 upon 2x is equals to minus 7 minus 8 divided by 12. Now numbers are having same sign, so we have to add and give the sign of common. That is, we can say 5 upon 2x is equals to minus 15 upon 12. Now they can be further simplified. 3 4s are 3, 5s are, this minus sign as it is. So now we can say 5 upon 2x is equals to minus 5 upon 4. Now keeping this variable here, we have to transfer this 5 and 2. As this 5 is multiplied here, so it will go and divide. As this 2 is divided here, so it will go and multiply. So we can say that x is equals to minus 5 upon 4 into this 5 will come here, into this 2 will go there. Okay, so here don't confuse with this 5, as it is multiplied here also it is multiplied. See, the thing is that as it is a numerator, so it has to go in denominator, but with this number it has to be multiplied. Okay, this 4 is already here, so it will be multiplied with this 5, but see, as it is in numerator, so it will go to denominator. This is the most important part of this transpose method. Now we can further simplify. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 5 ones are 5, and 5, this negative sign as it is, 5 ones are 5. So what we are getting here, x is minus 1 upon 2. So we can say that therefore the required rational number is the required rational number is minus 1 upon 2. This is what they have asked for. We have to find out that rational number, okay, which we have considered as x. So here that rational number is minus 1 upon 2.